It was right here.
This the window.
But we have one problem.
No, we gotta use your sister stuff.
Thank you.
You're in line?
Wait, so was Johnny cameraman for us when we came?
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember.
I'm starving.
Do you guys want something? Cameraman? What do you guys want? Hi.
How you doing?
How are you doing today?
Good. You want to go? What you want?
Can I get a cheeseburger? And I'll do the animal style fries, please. Yeah, and then just fountain drink, please. Yeah.
Would you like any onions on the cheeseburger?
Yes.
Yeah, y'all just
Can you guys do like the grilled onions, please? Thank you. Does it come with tomato?
Yes.
Can I do no tomato?
Is the lettuce and the spread okay?
Yes. Can I do extra spread?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, let me get a
I'm also gonna.
let me get a number 2.
What are you guys gonna get?
Yeah. I guess it's
Double.
Hey, look,
You got
this
the-
looks like
oh,
a
the peppers
whole
over there, huh?
production.
Yeah. Did you want to get a flying
Is that like the
Dutchman?
quality?
yeah. You can get the peppers.
Well,
on
look
the
at that big eye camera. Who do you expect? Did you want?
Wait, I might actually make Diego carry that.
burger. You keep the onions on there.
Did you want them grilled or did you want them raw?
It's on the right side.
I don't know what's better.
I would say grilled.
Oh, they're blinking.
Okay.
You don't want nothing, Ed? You don't want nothing?
No, nobody. You? What do you guys want? Can I get a flying Dutchman? Onion wrap?
Onion wrap?
Yeah. Grilled onion, right?
Yeah. Yes.
And then can I do a double no cheese? And then can I do animal style fries? And then can I do regular or and then regular fries? And then can I do
You count your calories? You? I was like, when I just traveled, I fell off though.
Was it hard or I never really tried it. Maybe I just like
Nah, it's cool. That shit low key fun.
I just eat the same shit, just kind of like that, just by eating the same.
You guys don't want anything?
Hey, you want something?
Sorry, did you say anything
It's a
else?
water
No,
cup.
that was it.
That was it. Thank you.
And then can I add a water cup to that?
Yeah. Just one.
I got it.
Okay. Did you want me to repeat any of this?
No, it's okay.
I ain't listen now.
Was that for
Hey,
For here, please. Yeah.
I got it. I swear I got it.
Oh no, I got it. Look at me.
Damn, I got it.
Go for it.
I got it. I swear I got it. Damn, she already paid for it. Fuck. Damn. She already paid for it.
That's actually crazy. You guys are supposed to say no, Wendy.
I was just finna pay for that shit.
Thank you so much.
Tripping. Thank you.
Oh, drinks? Who got drinks? Water cup?
Who got a water cup?
Wait, you didn't want anything?
We probably sit over
Where
there.
we sat, yeah.
The same spot.
There's somebody there.
Damn. They took our spot. Damn.
Dr. Pepper?
Who got a smart? You got a smart.
Lemonade? Should we do the light or the stick? Oh wait, should we do?
Put Coke on it.
Okay, Dr. Pepper, where are we sitting?
Shit I got going on. Damn.
What should we
Buddy
do?
took our spot.
Should we just stand there and stare at them so they can move?
We can try.
No, it's okay. Well, there's seats
We
over
go
there.
over there, they don't know the difference.
But we'll know the difference.
Damn.
Look, DDG Wendy Ortiz.
You go over there though.
Oh, never mind. They switched it up for you.
Sir, gas 32, please. Gas 36, please.
43. Right here. And caravan right there.
Gas 35, please.
You know you could sit down. Do you allow him to sit?
Nah, he can't sit or eat until the end of the night. That's just how we work.
His idea was he's a director.
DDG Wendy.
I gave him a water cup, man. What the f y'all pressing me about getting a water cup for? That just shit ain't free. I gave him, we got a water cup.
What happened?
Talking about security water cup. He got a water cup before Johnny got his water cup. I'll take your eyeballs off right now and then there's nothing you can see.
This kind of feels, I feel like this feels like the...
Matter of fact, say sorry or y'all can't see.
It does.
Say sorry.
Like the same people.
Say sorry.
Like in this.
I just poked you in your eye. Say sorry.
Gas 37, please. 37, please.
Say sorry. Say sorry. That's what I thought.
Look here.
That's what I thought, man. Yeah, wrong with y'all. Then you get a water cup. Yes, you did.
I
I
don't
gave
know
it
what
to
he
you.
just put you guys through. I'm so sorry. I don't know what that
never
was.
mind.
He literally
My
just
bad.
took it off. Took off the lens.
Yeah, man. Johnny took it. Johnny took it. My bad, y'all. I could have swore I gave him a water cup, though.
Aw, thank you.
BTO boner, appreciate that 5. BTO boner, brother. Anonymous gifted with another 23. I keep gifting myself 23 subs.
Is that you?
When I get gifted anonymous, they be saying it's you. Is it you?
Hey, they
Tax
actually
purposes.
gifted me earlier.
Brooke baby with another 5.
Say sorry. Wait, what did I do?
What?
They're saying say sorry.
They
Sorry,
just,
yeah, the 2 words stuff.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
sorry.
No, they just, I don't know. They manner watching.
Gas 40, please. Gas 41, please.
Good, bro.
What happened?
Nah, you good. Nah, you good. You good.
I'll secure from this side, don't worry. I got you.
So what were we talking about last time we were here? I honestly don't remember like Johnny being cameraman. Like I don't remember anybody. I just remember the camera. You know?
Right, Johnny, what was you doing?
What?
Like, when you was like,
Cameraman.
cameraman here.
Why?
Being cameraman. I don't remember you.
I don't know what you was doing.
Holding the camera?
I don't remember that. I don't know.
I think I don't
That was
remember.
holding the camera. I
Yeah.
remember we was in the Maybach. I was just like, yo,
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry for talking about this in front of you, Ed.
sorry, man. I just feel a little bit insecure and shit.
I'm sorry. I apologize, bro.
So would you ever quit?
Nah,
Would you ever quit?
never.
Do you believe that?
He makes the best clothes ever. So he
Close.
he
Yeah. I remember I seen the skeleton one that he gave
That's his right there. He gonna quit eventually. I already know.
for clothing.
For clothing, yeah. Bless you.
Once he quits,
Thank
like,
you.
Once he quit, that means you gotta quit. That means he gonna be out of a job. So you gotta figure something out, brother. Because if he quit, I gotta hire him. I'm so hungry.
Me too. So how's life? Are you happy?
I am.
Very happy? What? Are you happy?
it feels like a different universe. It's cool.
Yeah, no, it's so weird. I'm watching this like right here, literally just.
This
This is exactly what we were
It
doing.
looks the same, don't it? All I need is my dreads.
Yeah. Do you miss them?
Nah, I don't.
No.
I think I look way better. I look way cleaner. I feel cleaner with my dreads cut.
Hey, is this true? You can take off dreads and put them back in.
I can put them back in right now. If
So
I wanted
you
to.
really?
I
So you
wouldn't,
Oh,
though.
you have them.
I still got them.
You should do it for a day.
But it's like they got a crochet them in. It's called crocheting.
Guest 42, please. Guest 44, please.
43.
I like the long hair.
But
43.
they be stuck in there though, so I couldn't just do it. But I wouldn't
Do it
that.
for a day.
Is it ready?
43. They were saying 43 was called.
43?
Yeah.
They call it 43?
Yeah, I think so. They're saying. That's what chat's saying.
You so hungry?
But you're not very like expressive. Like you just look sad all the time.
For real?
Yeah. That's why I ask if you're happy.
I look sad? No. When I look like I'm like sad, I'm just like thinking.
But what do you think?
Well, before we came here, I'm thinking like, okay, how we gonna get here? I'm trying to
Like right
coordinate
now.
all of that.
But right now, when Johnny was ordering, like you were just like what were you thinking?
When he was ordering?
Like
Or
or
when he got
whenever
up?
whenever was ordering,
I don't remember.
you just like zone out.
Yeah, I just zone out sometimes. But everybody that see me, they be thinking I be mad or
Guest
sad
44,
and shit.
please. 440, 44, please.
I just be chilling.
Yeah.
Don't you
But
look like that sometimes? Like your face just
Yeah, but I
non-expressive?
think I'm so like not with my like
I remember you said you disassociation.
yeah. Is that what happens when you look sad?
I think what is disassociation? feel
Like you just forget everything around you and you're just like zoned out like
Yeah.
like you're just
Yeah,
thinking, you know? Like
Uh-huh.
everything around you just disappears and you're just not there.
That's exactly what happens. But it's not necessarily a bad thing or like,
Yeah.
you know, it's just how my face be when I'm
Guest
just listening.
45 and 48, please.
Yeah. Let's see. Is this us?
I don't know.
Let's see what we have. This is onions.
Oh, wait, no, 4?
Rest in sad face.
Right.
Oh, go for it. This is animal style fries.
Guest number 48, please. 48. 48, please.
I just put my fingers all in this. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Don't hate me, please. Animal style fries.
Nah, I ain't get that.
I'll take this.
I got
Regular fries.
Ketchup in here. Uh-oh.
Someone got regular fries?
These are the burgers, but I don't want to grab nobody's shit.
48, please.
Which one you had, a double or?
Just a cheeseburger.
But did you
No
have
tomatoes.
no tomatoes? All right, grab
This
it.
one.
Yes, you did.
Thank you.
Who had a double burger?
Eve. Oh,
No
Johnny.
cheese? No cheese?
Yeah, it ain't no cheese.
I don't know who got fries, but
I got fries.
Grilled onions. Okay.
Is this bad to eat?
no, there's a bunch of fries in here.
Let's give that, give the bag, give the bag.
There's a bunch of fries in here.
It's cool. I gotta chill on the fries anyway. I gotta get back healthy.
Oh, ketchup?
Fries in the bag, brother.
But it's like, that's better.
You know that bracelet was actually one of like the most expensive things I bought.
For real?
Yeah, one of the first
I appreciate
expensive
it.
things I bought.
I wear it every day.
Guest 47, please. 47, please.
Oh, that's so cute. They hold hands while they eat. Aww.
Daryl, they were praying.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I didn't get a 4.
How many onions? How many of these you gonna use?
You want this?
Yeah.
These are tinier.
Cool.
I don't think I ate last time either.
You didn't?
I don't think I did.
I'm gonna watch it. Alright. Stay here.
How long are you out here for?
Till Tuesday.
You not tired of Colorado yet?
Well, I think the reason I'm not tired of it is because I come here so often. So it's always like something new in a way.
It's like 2 hours, ain't it?
Flight, yeah.
I'm not like that. I did think about it, but I don't have my hands I actually thought about it.
That shit banging. I ain't gonna lie.
What if one day you go to Colorado?
I want to go there. You should go to Aspen.
52, please. 49 and 52.
I want to go snowboarding before summer. One last
You
time.
gotta, it's over in like March, so you gotta go like before your vacation. If y'all want to do something quick, we could do something like that, like
Cabin trip?
Aspen.
52,
Aspen for a couple of days.
52, 55, please. 52,
Not the next
55.
trip. I feel like the trip has to be just.
It gotta be a trip. How many toothbrushes was in the bathroom?
Like 30.
I try to use one toothbrush for each tooth. Cross-contaminate. I'm not a hoe, y'all. Stop. I really use a bunch of toothbrushes, like. It's not really 30.
The 51, please. 53, please. And 54. D6, please. 56.
Hey, I bought that
56,
first. There's like up to that maybe right now.
I'm trolling, y'all.
Pushing P?
What are y'all talking about?
Yes, 57, please.
Where's that
57,
mean?
please. Yes, 57, please.
They ain't
57,
talking about
please.
nothing. You always had these tattoos?
I think I got these two.
What does that one mean?
Aries, Valentina's zodiac. My daughter's zodiac.
Oh. I'm about to say.
Napkins?
That was good. Huh?
You guys didn't want some?
Yeah.
They're trying to get on you because of your reaction.
Yeah, I didn't know he was recording.
Who?
Aries, my sister getting married. Well, she got married.
Oh, and what was your reaction? Or what happened?
I mean, I was happy, but I was a little busy when he called me. So I didn't have my face on the camera, but
So what'd you say? Oh, congrats.
no, like, oh, that's lit. But I was doing something.
How do you feel?
Feel good.
Your sister's married.
I know.
She got married.
And I'm 30 and not, huh? Was that bad?
No.
Titi, they've been together for a long
while,
time.
yeah.
That's how it's supposed to go. Why you don't read your chat in dark mode? You always have your chat light?
Yeah, but my phone's on the light mode.
No.
So my messages are like that too.
When you getting married, Johnny?
Like 2 more years.
What do you mean, work? We got Cartier? Yeah. When did you guys get that? I bought it for him. When? Bali, no? Off or on stream? Off stream.
I don't know where I'm getting married, y'all. Maybe never. Maybe I'll be lonely forever. I'll be alone baiting. I'll really be chilling. I don't really trip my
Do you think you'll go your whole life being single, or you'll think
I am a lover boy. I'm always in a relationship. I'm purposely being single. If I wanted to seriously pursue somebody in terms and like get in a relationship, I can make that happen. I choose not to.
But you're forcing it.
Huh? Yeah.
Then you're forcing it.
Not necessarily forcing it, but let my guard down. Like I got my guard up on purpose. I can let my guard down. And let myself fall deeply in love and get in a relationship, have kids and get married and shit. I just don't want to do that right now.
Yes, 58 and 59.
I'm in my healing era.
28 years old.
When I turn 30, then it's like, all right.
Yeah, that's like pushing him.
Figure it out. When I turn 30, I'm a date to get married. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Right now I'm dating to like see what happens.
For funsies.
Yeah, for funsies. I like that word. For funsies, or accidentally become serious. But like, when I turn 30, it's like, all right, I ain't dating unless I'm gonna marry this girl type shit.
Yeah. Makes sense.
But you never know. I can get in a relationship next week and get married when I'm 29.
Yeah.
Can't put a timeline on love.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go on Twitch and I'm gonna find a girl and I'm gonna rate her. Get in a relationship.
Yes, 60, please.
It worked for me.
I know. I gotta try different methods. The galaxy's not working. Probably gotta send little TikTok universes or something.
All done.
That was some good food.
TikTok time?
What we gonna make? We gotta do the fancy car.
What's another one?
I gotta do one for mine too. Oh, what if we do the? What if I do the TikTok with you and your sister? Remember the five.
Oh yeah, from Japan.
Yeah.
Or we, yeah.
Or we did something else. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Or we could do that wherever we go.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't know. Huh? Or we can do like the I don't really know what's like. They said big guy. Nah, I'm too grown. This might work. Hold on, let me see. I'm too old for this.
Are you too old for this?
Yeah, I'm too old for this.
No, but I might be too stiff for that.
Okay.
This is a good one, no? But can we do this one?
I mean, I'm probably not gonna do it like that, but we can do it though.
I did it. We did it?
Oh yeah, I do it like that, like some chill shit.
I still love my nigga from time to time. I just be up,
Hey man, you're not supposed to smoke weed.
I don't know, my For You page ain't got no TikTok trends.
Oh my god.
Nah, that'd be the only reason we'd ever go to war with Mexico.
Wait, what'd he say?
Hong Kong got burned down.
I don't know, but it's not bad. I mean, it's not good.
Rosarito, I got baptized in Rosarito church.
Who gives a
Oh my god, I'm getting canceled, chat.
You only get canceled for 2 days on Twitch. After that, they move on.
Our bishop thinks.
Oh, they sent this one.
Oh my god, that's so funny. Like,
Oh,
look.
this one? Can't redo it, huh?
I don't know why I feel like that was 3 years ago. Like, I feel like I was so, like,
It kind of
so much
was.
younger.
This was April last year.
it was a year ago.
Do it right there. That's it.
We could do that. I ain't against it.
Neither.
But how we gonna do this in America though?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Damn near gotta do that shit in Japan for it to make sense.